Welcome to my final log of my travels to Tasmania. Every holiday we assign a couple of days where we spend time doing absolutely nothing. This time round we went to Rosevears, which is 20 minutes from Launceston, and we stayed at the Rosevears Hotel, which is on the banks of the Tamar River. Now, would you blame us if I told you we have been here before? Although there is no room service, this place gives you modern facilities with spectacular views. It is perfect for anyone who needs some peace and quiet. And they have a hot tub. What do you do in a place like this? Oh, thanks for asking. I thought you would never ask. Well, you play pranks. There was Netflix included in our stay, and a few previous occupants of this room had forgotten to sign off. So I thought I would try and change their suggestion list by playing some Bollywood movie like Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum for 15 to 20 minutes and then move on to another movie. Sophie will never know what hit her. Hashtag never lose the kid in you. The next morning I had a quick breakfast and made some tea. As Pri wanted some breakfast, we headed to the cabin in Exeter, and if you're wondering what this pink drink is, it is a Luna latte, and as I had never had it before, I thought I would give it a try, and it was not that bad. I then spent some time doing absolutely nothing. As I knew that I'm not going to be eating healthy for the next couple of days, I needed to exercise, and after spending a good 30 minutes contemplating why I must not exercise, I finally managed to get some activity in by telling myself that the background would make really good content for this video. Well, sometimes you just gotta trick your mind. All the exercises were really basic, as the main point is just to keep the body active and not lose the habit of working out. I then rewarded myself with some chicken parma and spent the evening reading my book Ikigai, Japanese Secret to a Happy Life. I must say that this book is a really good book to read and has some very valid points on how to bring more happiness into your life. It was time for dinner, and for dinner I had some salmon and some dessert at the Rosevears Hotel. The next morning, after jumping in the hot tub in the freezing cold, I did some reading and then packed up as it was our last day. We said our customary thank you to the place, and as we had our flight at 7 p.m, we had some time to kill. We drove almost 4 hours to the Bay of Fires. The drive was supposed to be 2.5 hours, but for the first time, Google Maps misguided us and we ended up somewhere in the bush. After pre-faced some first world problems getting there, we took some beautiful shots before heading to the airport. All in all, it was a fantastic and relaxing trip. One truly for the memories. I would like to thank you for your time, and please do like and subscribe to my channel and help me grow.